Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk a bit about positive thinking and also how to become more mentally strong. Basically, if you have heard this quote, it's a very beautiful quote which says, if you think positively, sound becomes music, movement becomes dance, smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditation, and life becomes a celebration. So it's very, very important to be positive and to be basically mentally strong in life, irrespective of whatever is happening. So, this was something which I came across today, and I thought it was a very good read and definitely something which needs to be shared. So, this was about 10 tips or 10 ways to become more mentally strong. So, the first one is to take at least 15 minutes every day to self reflect. I think that's a very, very good point because if you are able to spend some time, at least 15 minutes, reflecting on the day and how you can make it better, it would definitely help in making the next coming days even better. Then the second one is to do at least one tough thing daily. So it can be anything. If depends, for some people studying is hard, for some people exercise is hard, for some people art may be hard. So something, right, whichever is hard for you or which you feel tough, you should at least give it a shot every day. And then you should also, the third point here is you should give up one bad habit. So again, it differs from person to person. What is what is that one bad habit, or you may be having a lot of things which you need to change, but try to give at least one bad habit per day. And the fourth point here is to develop positive self talk. Now, this is a very important point. I've noticed a lot of people, even when things are going good in their life, they have negative self talk, and even when things are going bad, of course there is more negative self talk. So self talk is a very important aspect in a person's personality and the energy which they radiate out. So it's very important to have a positive self talk. And if any time you're feeling that you are you're not actually talking to yourself in a kind or in a nice way, you need to put a check right then and there and try to understand why you're talking like that and change it right then and there. The next one here is, the fifth point here is, identify challenges and set goals. So daily you need to identify your challenges and set goals. There are 5 more to go. Now, before I continue, one point I just would like to call out, that it is not necessary that everybody should be able to do all the 10 points to become mentally strong. You can even start with any one of it. The key part here is, when you are able to incorporate even one of it into your life, you would find the difference. So definitely something to to work on. So going forward, the sixth point here is, identify your strength and weakness. This is a very, very important aspect in life. It's very important to understand what is your weakness, and it's also important to understand what is your strength, because that would go a long way. The seventh point here is to journal daily. This is something which even I follow very diligently, mainly in terms of different kind of to-dos or anything, right? But journaling actually brings some form of streamline to each day, and so it's highly, highly recommended. And in addition to the journaling, if you can also just initiate a tiny habit to write what you're grateful for, it would definitely change your entire perspective of whatever is happening. So definitely the seventh point about journaling is a very, very critical thing. And the eighth one is, write down 10 new ideas or 10 ideas every day. So this will build your idea muscle. So if you can be, actually honestly speaking, we all are highly creative and we all have so many good ideas, but what happens is in the rut of life, some people can, as I've noticed, okay, some people can write poems, some people can draw, some people can think creative ideas, but in the rut of life what happens is, you tend to just push aside all of this, okay. Once again, right, every time it's not about recognition, so it's sometimes it's just to open up yourself and put out what has the thoughts, the divine energy, right, which actually blooms in your mind when you get an idea. So just write it down. It can be some new thought, it can be a new quote, it can be art, it can be anything, right? So that whatever is that new idea, just write it down, okay. So if you can write up to 10, it's great. And the eighth no the ninth one is take care of your physical health, okay. So this is one of the most key thing in a person's life. I mean to say, if you're not fit, and if you don't have health, then nothing else matters. So definitely this should be a priority on every day. Irrespective of what is happening, physical health is the key. It's very important, so please do take care. And the 10th one is to create a healthy environment. So you have to ensure you create a healthy environment in all aspects. So if you can create a healthy environment, whether it is food, whether it is surrounding, every way, right, try to ensure that you create a healthy environment, because that will help you bloom. So these are the 10 ways to become more mentally strong and stay positive and happy always. Have a very wonderful day ahead. Thank you.